And finally, new rule, nothing with crypto in the title ever turns out good.
Don't write me about Bitcoin, please. I don't give a so don't ask me.
Bitcoin happens to use a lot of energy. It happens to promote anonymous transactions.
Bitcoin is not a currency.
Not bullish on Bitcoin.
You, John McAfee, believe in the power of Bitcoin. So much so that you'll put your on the table, chop it up, put it in your mouth, swallow.
If it doesn't reach at least $1 million.
99.999% of the people that own Bitcoin are f***ing morons. That's just it.
What's it feel like to be a Bitcoin?
I don't have any Bitcoin.
You don't?
No.
Okay.
Good morning. GM, everybody. Welcome to the GM Show. Welcome.
GM.
And yes, this is the crypto and NFT morning news show.
Oh,
just coming off the episode 200 hangover
yesterday.
And yes, we are sticking with this new angle, Dekenza. It's new and in charge. This angle is in charge. So
yeah, you didn't even ask for other people's opinion.
No,
if they wanted this angle.
My angle is not part of the doubt. Okay.
All vote in favor of changing
the Dow
Freeman's
has
angle.
Nothing to do with it. Oh, look at that. Somebody got their GM bot. Yes, this was one of the winners of the GM bots yesterday.
Yes.
We did send them. We're not just a giant scam. See.
All right, let's shill ourselves. Do our shill.
Yes,
morning
we are going to shill.
Before the show.
We are going to shill. Yes, there was all kinds of stuff, and you missed it, Dekenza. You missed the party. Sorry. So should have been there, but you weren't. Anyway, check it out, gmtv.lol, place to be for everything GMTV related. We got our kimono, all-in-one trading view indicator, shows you trend, momentum, volatility, volume as 10 different built-in indicators. This is included as part of the benefits for our GM bots NFT, which also includes holder-only Discord channels. There's a couple holder-only Discord channels already set up. Holder-only streams coming. And access to the kimono, which is through the Discord, and store discounts on the upcoming merch store. You can also burn your NFT to sponsor the show, so you can mint now. These are now minting. We also have the sponsor page up now, so you can burn your NFT to sponsor the show. Just fill out the form. Select which NFT you want in your wallet. You got to connect your wallet first if it's not connected, but there's a little button for that. You can see here, I've got one NFT in my wallet. If you have more, they'll show up here. You select the one you want, click burn and submit, and you will be a sponsor of the show for a day. So,
Bing bong.
Bing bong, everybody.
Bing
bong. CoinMarketCap launched their proof of reserve tracker for crypto exchanges. This audits active cryptocurrency exchanges in the industry for transparency on liquidity at any given moment. According to the announcement, the tracker details the total assets of the company, its affiliated public wallets, along with the balances, current price, and value of the wallets. Let's check it out, shall we?
Check it out.
Yeah, it's just here when you go to CoinMarketCap /ranking/exchanges, or just click on exchanges up here. And you can see a couple of the exchanges that are participating in this already. Here's Binance up at the top. You see the volume, the total assets here. You can see the token allocations down here with the reserves. All very nice to see. So I love this new feature. I think this is awesome. I think this is just good in helping bring transparency and confidence back to the market.
So is there...
Yes.
I guess my question is, is it easy to game that, Like, if they had done this before the FTX
well, it
crash.
uses blockchain technology. It uses the blockchain. I mean, I guess you could change the wallets, but it's using the wallet balances.
I'm just wondering. I guess my main question is,
Yes.
if they had this before the FTX debacle, would this have raised any red flags before
Well,
it all
I mean, if
crashed into
FTX had participated, perhaps, yeah. Because, I mean, I don't know. They would have to have the money in the wallets. I mean, as far as we know, the money was gone, right? So they'd have to have it in their reserve wallets. And I think that's part of the point here is to bring transparency to these reserve wallets so you can see how much is in the reserve wallets at any given moment, which is kind of nice. And you can get the links here right to the wallets. So you can go sleuth the wallets yourself if you feel like it. So yeah, Binance, or this is, who's this? KuCoin. They're sitting on mostly USDT. They have a lot of their own coin, their own shit coin there, the KCS.
Yeah, red flag there, huh?
Yeah, that's almost 20%. Then Bitcoin, ETH, USDC. Definitely would be nice to see, you know, these exchange shit coins. It'd be nice if their reserves were a little less of these, like 10% or less would be nice, you know?
Dude, yeah.
More
See,
Bitcoin, more USDC, more ETH.
I'm telling you, man,
Those are
a
things I'd like to
market,
see.
just an exchange that isn't, I don't know, just
decentralized
a simple fucking
exchanges,
exchange
yeah.
that didn't have a shit token.
Or just, yeah, an exchange.
That
with no
just was
token.
just a simple, good old mom and pop shop exchange. You know what I mean? Let's bring it back to like 2017. You know, dumb them down a bit.
Bring it back to 2017.
Yeah, we don't need
2017. Oh wow,
Nah,
wow.
you know what
Let's
I mean?
just-
It's just,
You know
well,
what?
the
Let's
market's
get rid
already
of
there.
exchanges.
We're already.
Yeah, exactly.
It's like we are back in
Yeah.
2007.
I mean, I like the idea of decentralized exchanges still. I just think the problem is we got to get enough liquidity on one to be able to really do active trading.
Yeah,
and
you could do.
I
I'm
also
just
think
saying
you
this.
couldn't really do perp.
Just
you
the
couldn't
stuff
really
that-
do
Just an
leverage
exchange that didn't back their assets up with their own shit token. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's basically all.
Well,
it
I mean,
is.
yeah, I mean, look, if you look here, Binance, 33%
Binance
of their
is-
reserves are BUSD.
Yeah. See,
So,
that's what I mean.
you know, that's
Red
their
flag.
their stable coin. But yeah, a lot of these exchanges have shizloads of USDT, more USDT than USDC. Let's look
Yeah.
at Bitfinex real quick. Bitfinex is mostly Bitcoin. See, that's like more what I want to see. But what the hell is this shit token? The Leo token?
Leo? Is
that their
that
their
theirs?
token? I don't know. That's a
What
red flag right there.
What's Bybit like? Because
don't know
they
if theirs
push
is
a
on
lot of
here.
USDC.
Oh yeah,
so
theirs is on here. Mostly Bitcoin, then USDT, and then USDC. Wow.
all right.
This is the nicest profile I've seen so far.
That's actually pretty
This
good.
is a good. I like these reserves.
Bit is only 4%.
Yeah, 4% in Bit tokens. So that's. I like seeing Bitcoin, USDT, and USDC and ETH in the top 4 there. I mean, that is
Right.
that's sexy. That's sexy. I like that. Good job, Bybit. Let's see if anyone. OKX. Who cares about that one? Huobi. Oh yeah. Oh, Crypto.com's on here. Huobi says they've got mostly USDT and HT, their own token. Ugh, gross, dude. Gross. Let's go to Crypto.com. How much crow?
Right.
God,
yeah.
the
How
SHIB.
much fucking crow?
Oh, the only
Yeah, I
exchange
remember-
holding 20% SHIB. Oh no.
Fucking crow. Dude, they or fucking crypto. Dude, they don't have crow up there, huh?
No, they don't hold a bunch of crow. I mean, I'm sure they hold
maybe
some, but
maybe it's just in the others. Huh?
yeah. Let's see. Yeah, they do have some here. Elon token. Oh my God, what are they doing, dude?
Dude,
What are they doing?
They are legit degens over
Dude,
there.
they are
man.
degens.
That is
This
a degen.
this is the most degen profile of them
I
all.
know, and it almost looks like the most professional one.
It's
right?
supposed
They got
to
a
be,
popular
yeah.
Card. They got their names on Stadium.
Matt
and yet
Damon.
They're like,
They've got Matt Damon,
they got fucking Matt Damon.
and they're riding the lightning on SHIB. Wow.
Fortune favors the brave.
Yeah. How much SHIB do you think Matt Damon has?
Fortune favors the brave.
Yeah, USDT is potentially an issue too. That's why.
See,
it's
yeah,
like-
that does raise
Yeah.
flags. With a lot of these as USDT, it does kind of like, you
That's
know,
why this
if
Bybit
that.
one is my favorite because while they still have a
Right.
lot of USDT, they have a lot of Bitcoin, and then they've also got USDC in there.
Right.
That makes me feel more comfy about Bybit, honestly. Makes me feel a little more comfy. So anyway, I really like this feature.
How's Coinbase?
They don't have, they're not participating yet, at least. Red flag. Red flag. This is our new fun tool where we can now call things a scam. We got so many cool new tools to just call things scams now.
We look at
like,
a bubble
you
map.
don't have proof of reserves on coin
Call
market
it
cap?
wash.
Scam.
Yep. Check out your exchange.
Oh, you're insolvent.
Yeah. Here.
Oh, you must be insolvent. Oh boy.
Using your shit token as collateral. Get out of here.
Exactly. Yeah, get out of here. Speaking of insolvent things, Genesis bankruptcy jitters sending Bitcoin to fresh low. I think we're at a 2-year low now. Last night, yesterday, just a nice little slump downward there. But Genesis, troubled crypto investment bank, is in talks with potential investors for at least $1 billion in fresh capital. Man, there's a lot of crypto exchanges and funds just hitting up investors these days, begging for bailout money, essentially. And I think we're almost out at that 8 days that Sam Bankman-Fried said in those text messages that he had 8 days to raise like $8 billion or something.
I don't know
So
why
I think
he
that's
said
tomorrow.
that timeline. I don't know why he did that.
What the ticking
I don't
time
know if
bomb
that
in
makes
that
sense.
is.
Yeah.
But that's, I think, tomorrow. So maybe we'll find out if Sam Bankman-Fried raised the capital or not. But we've got they're asking for $1 billion here at Genesis. You know, they've halted withdrawals. I love this this tweet. He said, the Genesis timeline, November 8th, no material net credit exposure. November 9th, we lost 7 mil. November 10th, okay, we have 175 million locked in FTX. November 16th, sorry, no withdrawals or new loans. November 17th, okay, we need $1 billion. November 21st, we'll go bankrupt without the money. So, that kind of sums it all up nicely there. If you could say it's nice, not very nice. Alameda started moving all of its funds back to wallets as bankruptcy procedure emerges. We also had the wallets that the money from FTX had gone to. I see all the headlines today are still saying hacker, FTX hacker moving funds, and it's like, well, now it's come out. It's not really a hacker. It's probably the Bahamian government. So they're moving funds around and liquidating.
But it's way funner to say. Way more.
Yeah,
fun
that's
to say
why
hacker.
they're all still saying that, because it's clickbait psychology
Fucking
there.
hackers.
So yeah, hackers moving hundreds of millions.
But yeah, I mean, I think I was trying to look into a little bit this morning, but it sounds like they still have a shit ton of ETH still that they're just waiting to dump. And,
yeah. That'll have to hit the market at some point.
Dude, it's so many people are so bullish this morning. I just
Yeah.
I don't know.
Well, I think
I'll get to
also
the charts,
there's
though.
dose of hopium in all the bullishness. It's
well,
it's also that people are like, I think there's some people too are getting excited to buy the dip, right? I saw people
everyone's
saying
they're buying the
Kathy
dip, yeah.
Wood or whatever from ARK Investments is buying the dip and buying more Coinbase stock and all kinds of
Heard
stuff.
that too.
So I mean, hey, DCA.
Hey, you could have bought all these
definitely
dips.
DCA.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could DCA in each of these dips and, be just don't worry about your day. Flipping burgers at McDonald's during the day, DCAing at night.
DCA.
And you'd probably be doing better than most crypto traders. Just working at McDonald's and DCAing into Bitcoin.
Just putting all your McD cash into BTC.
Yeah, exactly. But yes, so Alameda, according to Alameda's wallet on Nance, an on-chain tracking portal, the entity is actively trying to gather every bit of funds they can find across various wallets and contracts. Oh my God, imagine how many wallets and shit they have. And they're just like, oh yeah, did you check that wallet? Oh yeah, did you check that other wallet? Oh yeah, let's go through our list of all the wallets we've ever made. And while waiting for the liquidation of some of their loans, so they also had loans out, due to poor market conditions, Alameda will not be able to gather enough funds to cover its own liabilities. Reportedly, FTX owes at least $8 billion to its creditors and users, while having around $1 billion in liquid funds. So Alameda is scrambling around to move money to gather all their funds, it sounds like. We also had this report. Sam Bankman-Fried's parents purchased 19 properties worth $121 million in the Bahamas over the past 2 years. So they're
that,
implicated
dude.
now in this as well. It's just...
My question is,
dirty,
did they know
dirty
those houses were in their names? Like, there could be... Oh, man, I'm really...
Either way... yeah, I mean, either their son was using their names and socials and information.
You would think.
Or,
you would think they'd know.
Yeah.
Which makes them kind of, they got, I don't want to say blood on their hands, but you know what I mean.
They're certainly implemented in the crimes for sure by having this. We also had this. We talked about this, the video that's been circulating of people wondering, is this Sam Bankman-Fried running down the street in Bahamas? Matt and I were joking after the show. It's like somebody had just confronted him and he's like, no, and he's just running away. But it looks very much like his hair, looks very much like his build and the classic
And if
backpack.
you imagined him and how he would run, like how would Sam run?
Exactly.
That kind of looks like how
does.
you'd maybe picture how
it does,
people
yeah.
would run.
It does. Yeah, he's got
Straight
kind of the
arms,
nerd
just-
run. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Very stiff nerd run. Like maybe that's the first time he's run in a month.
Or,
something.
it kind of looks like he might be just clenching in a poop, Maybe he's
Yes.
prairie dogging it, and he's like, I got to get to a toilet. That's what it also
Yes.
kind of looks like.
Yeah, maybe that's all it was. Just really had to get home and use the bathroom.
Hey, we've all been there, right?
Also, what is
Don't he just is a dude? He's a slob. He's not. He did not.
You're getting
He
ready
missed a
for a magazine cover shoot, and you
He
miss a
missed
spot
a
that
spot.
big. You're going to be on the New
Hey,
York
you know
Virtue.
what, Freeman? We have experience with this, though. When Freeman and I, let's go back. In
What do you
time.
mean? I always shave the entire thing. I don't leave
Freeman,
a
I'm not
little
talking about
miniature
us.
Hitler mustache.
But when we owned, back in the day, Freeman and I had a magazine called Loto Magazine, and it was a nightlife magazine for here, Denver, like night events and stuff like that. You guys might know Pretty Lights. What was his name? Derek Vincent Smith, whatever. So Pretty Lights, he was on the cover of our magazine. We're doing a photo shoot with him, and he came out of his comes out of his probably I don't know, nice SUV, some Escalade, some shit like that, all like smoking, right? He was just getting stoned and whatnot. He comes up and he's all like, didn't do his hair, he didn't do anything. He's like, my assistant would be, my manager would be really pissed off if I came in like this, blah blah blah.
Yeah,
I could see. I mean, it's just like
for sure.
Yeah, and it's like do I think Sam would be I guess I would before FTX debacle, I would think that Sam would be a bit more professional, but after everything, I'm like, no, man, he's just a DJ kind of dude anyway. So it's like he's no better than him. So it doesn't surprise me. Don't zoom into that, man.
You're welcome.
gonna get
JP Morgan
charged.
Chase crypto wallet trademark is approved. Banking giant JP Morgan Chase has received a trademark on its JP Morgan wallet after a 2-year application process. 2 years for them to get this trademark. So now finally they're ready for crypto. Just took them a little while. So apparently this is going to be a wallet where you'll be able to custody your own cryptocurrencies, and I think they also said that it said the trademark does not exclusively apply to crypto services, can also be used to apply to other financial services, including virtual checking accounts, ACH payments, e-check processing, and bill payments. So they are marching onward. We have the big players definitely circling.
Yeah.
Circling.
That'll be interesting.
Making circles.
Yeah, see, I think that could totally get some normies. Is JP Morgan who's putting big no, I know who's doing is it these guys that are also gonna be putting Bitcoin into their retirement funds and stuff like
Maybe
that.
was that Fidelity? I don't know. Yeah,
Oh,
I know
maybe it
I've
was
seen
Fidelity.
a couple different headlines.
It was a
about
big
that.
boy name. Yeah, big boy
Big
names.
boy name. Oh,
Big
a
boy
boomer.
name.
One of those
throwing
boomer
Bitcoin and
TradFi companies.
yeah, boomers want their damn Bitcoin in their retirement funds. And then Washington's all trying to stop them, and it's like, God damn, dude! Like, are we really free? Is this a fucking free country?
Well, of course not.
Yeah, you're
course
right.
not.
We've already went through this. It's not
Of course
free. is
not.
it?
Yeah. Come on, that's just that's
You're
like,
only
you know,
free
it's
to
like
do
the
as the
pizza
government
place.
tells you.
It's like
You
the
are
pizza
only
place
free
that
to
says
do as
best
the
pizza in the
government tells
world.
you.
You know, and it's like, you know, it's not, and because they all claim that. Yeah, that's what we just claim. We just claim it. We don't have to actually, you know, do it.
American exceptionalism. At its
Yeah,
best,
exactly. Yeah, best country in the world, best system in the world, no flaws. GameStop launched their
agree.
GameStop wallet too. This is an iOS app with which users can buy, hold, and swap crypto and NFTs straight from their mobile iOS phones. It's a self-custodial Ethereum wallet. You know, better late than never. GameStop, better late than never. They're still biddling over there at GameStop. So, you know, things are happening.
What's that question? That's a
How's the pizza
random one.
in Colorado?
Was that random, or were we talking-
Gotta go to Bojo's if you want something unique. That's a unique Colorado pizza. Bojo's.
Yeah, pizza. We have Colorado pizza here, and
Yeah,
it's
it's
mountain
Bojo's.
pie. It's basically
Exactly.
just layers of ingredients.
Yeah,
And it's not like a pan pizza. The crust is so thick that that holds it all in. And then when you're all done with the pizza, you take the crust and you get honey all in it and shit. It's so good. It is bomb.
Yeah, it's
It is
very
really good.
mountainy. It gives me mountain vibes just thinking about it. It's like what coal miners would make for pizza.
What? Coal miners? Bitch, we mine gold up in here.
Okay,
coal
fine.
miners. Get the fuck
Gold
out of here.
miners. It's what gold miners would eat. Whoa, okay.
I guess
Yeah.
there are coal mines, sure, but gold's way cooler. Gold and silver, man. That's what we really mine up here.
I like that I triggered you there. That got him triggered. That was good. Thanks for that. You laid that up to Kansas, and then I dunked it in. Okay, that was nice. BitGet is expanding their workforce by 50% and registering in the Seychelles. So they're going to be hiring 400 more people. So that's nice. Somebody's hiring. That's good. CurveDAO token is plunging 14%. There's a bunch of short selling pressure. Some unknown trader took out a massive loan on Aave just to short the price of Curve's DAO token. So some asshat, some Sam Bankman-Fried like asshat
dude.
is attacking. I just can't stand
Some
these
market makers
MFers.
trying to make some moves here.
Yeah,
Are they
I
trying?
know. Every
do
time
they,
we talk about the market maker, now I think of Sam Bankman-Fried's little
Is there?
fucking ass.
They smell blood in the water, man.
It smells
they
like
smell
old
blood,
bean-
and they're
smells
coming
like
after
moldy
him.
bean bags.
So is
What it
Curve the
smells like.
next one to go? Like, why are they attacking Curve? What do they see? What's the vulnerability that they see that they're like, we're getting it?
That's a
We're
great
getting
question. So he borrowed 70 million curved out tokens worth around $28 million from
Mm-hmm.
Aave, sold the majority of them to drop the token's price. That's savage, dude. Sold nearly all the borrowed curve tokens on a centralized and decentralized spot exchanges. Typically, short sellers will use a centralized perpetual trading platform, making this trader's short play unique. The selling pressure triggered a sharp fall in the price, crashed over 14% at one point, going from 52 cents to 43 cents. Doesn't allude to why they may have been doing this in here. Just reporting the facts, no fiction.
Yeah.
Unfortunately,
Yeah. Well,
last couple.
that guy
little
might know
things here.
something.
Yeah, might know something
Because it
He knows
sounds
a lot of
pretty.
things.
That seems pretty orchestrated. Like he sees some weakness or something in
Yeah,
Curve.
I
and
could
is
see that.
taking
Yeah,
advantage of it.
Yeah, I mean, well, that's what you would do, right? You find a weakness, then you exploit it. That's what crypto's all about. You know, just exploiting everything. Cardano is going to launch a privacy blockchain called Midnight. Cardano's just announcing everything. There was also another Cardano stablecoin announced called I don't remember the name of it. So like a developer that's developing on Cardano is also going to make their own stablecoin. This is the same right after the announcement of the Cardano stablecoin. So we're going to have two stablecoins on Cardano.
Plus the privacy.
Plus
one.
this new privacy chain. So their Cardano is coming out with lots of just news, and we'll see what happens here. But they're preparing to launch a new privacy-focused blockchain. And let's see, anything. Charles Hoskinson, speaking at Edinburgh University, revealed that the company would launch a new token known as Dust. What? Isn't that D-Labs? Known as Dust to run this separate and privacy-focused ecosystem. The company's new blockchain named Midnight is suspected to be a better version of his privacy-focused coin. So is it a different blockchain? Interesting. Dust. Yeah. Sorry, Frank.
Dust. Yeah,
Charles
dude.
Hoskinson
they just totally were like, oh,
just
cute.
jacking it.
They're all like, we all know Sol's going to zero, you fucks.
Just
so
jacking
we're just going
it.
to take your name. Yeah. Someone should use it.
Speaking of Solana, the price is struggling. A single-digit price
dude.
knocks on the door. Will bulls buy below $10? That's the question. We're going to look at the charts here. And
Not until 3.
People still in Solana are like that one Japanese soldier that
three,
never found out
three,
World War
three,
II is over. This was sent to me by Dolph, and I thought this was so funny. It's just, I don't know if you guys have heard of that story. There was this Japanese soldier who, like, for 20 years after World War II ended, he refused to surrender, and he wanted to keep fighting. So he just, like, hung out in the forest thinking there were still people were going to invade for 20 years. I mean, just absolutely insane.
I think we call that
that's Frank.
PTSD these days. You know what I mean?
That's Frank.
Maybe, yeah.
Still there. Still there.
Frank, I got a message, Frank.
Yeah, you got a message, Frank.
I got a message. Be like, hey, Frank, don't forget, you said you'd come on the show.
Yeah, we got important questions like this.
Oh, that's a
Is he
good
moving
one.
Cardano
Yeah, Frank.
to the new Midnight chain?
Cardano?
When Midnight chain? Maybe that's why they're calling it Dust.
Oh.
Dust Labs presents Midnight chain.
We're putting the dots
More
together
conspiracies.
here.
Yes.
That would actually really impress me. I'd be like, holy shit. He's been actually like working on this back end. He's like, yeah, yo, guys, I got this. I know Solana's tanking. I figured this out. We got this new
He did the
great
math.
partnership with
He's
Cardano.
like, it's Cardano is the future, guys.
Bro,
we're going.
Then I would be like, okay, man, all right, that's pretty. I don't know if it's smart, but it's smarter than sticking with Sol. You know what I mean? It's doing something to try to save your project. Trying to save your holders. See, that's it. It's like people are coming. Like when I told them that we're gonna do Frank, like people are like, yo, like he has a fucking responsibility to the people who invested in his project to try to keep this thing
100%.
alive. And so they're losing faith in Sol, and it's Sol is looking pretty bad. It's just looking bad.
It's not looking great.
Every
Okay,
time
we're
we
going to
do
go
the
to the
charts.
charts. But
doing it now?
first, I'm going to draw. We're going to draw for another GM bot giveaway. We're going to give away another GM bot NFT. So everybody, if you're watching and you have not chatted in, this is your final 10-second warning to chat in before I do the drawing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Gave in the system.
3. Kansas is, and I mean, I guess we could have a repeat winner today because it's a new day. But
It's a new day. It's a new day.
Yeah, so we'll see. Kansas is really trying to rack these up so that he can just get ads on the show again, I think is his main thing. But let's draw. Okay, we got 9 entries. I wonder who the new entry is. That's my MFer. MFer. It better be lettuce. The spammer is in there.
Yes, get the spammer.
Oh, no!
Oh, it is.
No! I mean, congratulations. I mean, congratulations.
That's funny.
I didn't want that to happen. Yeah, Girls 18 almost won, but it didn't. That would have been real.
Oh, that's my other sub account. My bad. Here, let me get that fixed.
You're the one who's been spamming.
Whoops.
Guys, I don't make the rules. We just use the giveaway drawer, okay? I didn't want Dickensis to win. I promise. It just happened.
You guys just got to get on Twitch.
I'm trying to spread out the love. I don't want him to have a bunch
Rumble,
of these.
right? Is it Rumble?
Yeah, we're on Rumble. Yeah, we're
Yeah,
rumbling.
get on Rumble.
Yeah, go if you're a
you
Rumbler, you should
increase your
subscribe.
chances.
GMTV LOL. Oh yeah, see lettuce. Yes. Oh good. Yes. Okay, Dickensa. That is the camaraderie and the spirit of this community right there.
Yeah.
Man, what a bunch of good people.
We're family here.
You
We're
didn't. You
family.
have you burned two? Shut up. Have you already burned two? Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna have to check.
Did you
Check
just
Kansas
like burn
only
them through your OpenSea account? Because you're supposed to burn them through the forums.
If you just burned them from your wallet, you better send me
Yeah,
the transaction.
you just burnt some
Oh
NFTs.
my god, he burnt them. Well, we'll look at the. We're gonna look at the project here in the NFT
All right.
section.
We'll
but
fix this.
let's look at the chart.
Customer service is here.
There
we're
was
here
no
to
form.
help.
You're a liar. You're a liar.
It was live yesterday.
You're a liar. God, Kenza, you give me heart palpitations over here. I'm stressing.
Too funny. It's a
Okay,
good
what's
thing we have
going on
customer
here?
service for this project, right? All right, here we go.
We have
So we are
Filipinos.
looking at ETH, and man, are the bolas out this morning. Man, everyone's calling the bottom, telling you.
That's why Dickensis is
Lords.
feeling so good.
BitLord's
why he's
saying
feeling
this is
generous.
it. We're pumping, blah blah blah. And I'm just like, okay, you pull back to the daily. All we did is challenge. We wicked up to resistance. Actually, we just waked up to the day. Remember, I say this often, but if you really want to just kind of play with the charts and understand like where we are within the day, that's really important when you're trading down on the lower time frames. Because price likes to challenge the previous day's open and closes and things like that. So here, right, daily open, I'm looking to see if price comes and challenges up here where yesterday's open was. And sure enough, we did. And we just get rejected from it. And right now, that's where we're at. We're diddling in the middle. Let's go check out some lower time frames now. The 4-hour looks good, right? The kimono wave is telling us, hey, VWAP crossing up. And we have a green dot oversold buy signal forming here. Now, the thing is, I would be a lot more comfortable. I want to see divergence before I start going ham and ETH, right? Because I want to see momentum. So this is what I'd like to see. The wave come up, we get another short signal, then we come up and we get, and the chart would look something like this, boom, and then we'd come down. So a little bit further, something like that. A little bit further. It would happen faster than this. But yeah, so essentially what I'm looking for is lower prices, but the momentum is going up. All right, so I'm not seeing that right here on the 4-hour, and that's what I would like to see, at least in the 4-hour, 12-hour, daily, right? I want to see some divergences. And 12 hours still in this wave. And if you look at the 4-hour, I mean, that money flow wave, this red money flow wave, that's not too hot, right? And I'm what are the chances you think that this is just gonna spike up back here in the green, right? You really think that's gonna happen? I don't. So
Better happen.
I'm assuming, maybe we get something like that with the money flow. So I'm it's a great pump. It is a great pump. It's 1.56 up for the day. How about that? It's like, everyone calm the fuck down, okay? Calm down.
Wow. Way to piss on our hopium fire. Thanks.
Yeah. I'm taking your hopium and I'm slamming it on the ground, stepping on it, and it's bad. This sucks. All right, let's move on to other things here.
Great.
No, nice. 1 hour. See, and this is it. It's like, this morning, and I'm not, a part of me is a little butthurt because I missed out. I saw it this morning, right? I wake up really early in the morning, wake up like at 4 a.m. And, I'm doing my morning poo. I'm looking at charts and it looked dumpy. It still looks dumpy. I was like, well, nothing's really changed.
No pun intended.
Still looks dumpy. I get ready for the day. I get to the office. I open the charts and I'm like, holy shit, we like just big old green candle dildos popping up everywhere. And I just am, I was a little little bumped that I didn't catch that. But no.
No butt stuff, please. Yeah. This is a no butt stuff show. Excuse me. Keep your butt stuff to yourself.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
Great story.
Fair
Thanks
enough.
for that story. Story.
Well, I just wanted everyone to know
Thanks.
that I'm thinking about them and their charts when I'm pooping. That's all. Just want you all to know. And here, I mean, like, if we go to the hourly, see, this is why, all we did, see, to me, this is where I look for shorts. Okay? Because on the kimono, we have an not exhausted. It's not exhausted yet. We could pump a little more, for sure. Why not? The wave is still green, all right? Money flow is still red. The VWAP, though, looks like that's what's looking kind of exhausted. We have the RSI up here looking like it wants to cross down. And not really. Yeah, you could say that's a divergence. There was a bullish divergence. So on the 1 hour, the 1 hour was saying, sure, bullish divergence. However, we just slammed up, challenged the 50 moving average, challenged the trend line, and now what do you expect is going to happen? Probably get rejected. Like you got rejected for prom. All right?
Oh, ouch. Why you gotta stab me like that?
Well, that's on the hourly. So I'm just, so anyways, when I saw the pump and everything, and I'm seeing everyone like going all ham, today's bullish, today's going to be great, blah, blah, blah. We're going to the moon. I was really starting to get FOMO. Really, like, I was like, oh, shit. Like, I fucking, this is ridiculous. Within like just like a 15-minute span, I just screwed up generational wealth. But here it's like, chill out, Jones. All right, man. Just chill out. All right. The 4 hour does look good, but again, I'd like to see a divergence. Daily, still red wave. Again, I would like to see a divergence. I'm just not sold that this is going to be the pump, and the pump that we're seeing now could be already dying, right? It could be done.
Turned into a dump.
Be careful. Yeah, because on the 4 hour, this could print a buy signal, but because we use kimono with other indicators like wave, levels, and we have the moving averages that we pay attention to, we know that this could be a fake, and we shouldn't necessarily just go diving in blindly just trusting the kimono wave and its signals. Here again, Bitcoin kind of showing the same thing. See, and I would like to see, on the 4 hours, I could totally, I think this is a good level to try to get to up here. This is 1196. Let's just call it 1200, right? Maybe a little bit before 1200. I could see Ethereum maybe getting to today, all right? But then I just see it getting rejected, right? There's nothing that tells me, no patterns right now that says, oh, we're getting out of this bottom here. I just see that we're going to go up and challenge resistance and get rejected. That's all it seems like to me. Right? Patterns, not breaking crazy levels, anything like that. So I'm just like, I don't know. I'm not nearly as super bullish as a lot of these people. So, again, I got to see I got to see a lot more in order for me to get any hopium going on here. But yeah, Bitcoin's kind of looking the same, right? But it's pretty close here on the 4 hour, getting pretty close to the 200. Yeah. See, the 50 moving average too, it's all just working. Confluence. 50 moving averages on these like 4 hour time frames. And I bet if I go to daily, I'd see something similar where it's right at resistance. It's right where you would expect price to challenge and get rejected from. Here, on a daily. See, the daily, that would only just be, please get out of here with your bullish sentiment. Yeah, I mean, like, look, like, that basically is up here. Okay, cool. Yeah, I could see us getting up there. But then why wouldn't we just get rejected back down? Like, I'd be looking for shorts when price gets there, because it could be challenging this moving average. The daily moving average, it is far extended. So I do expect price to get back to the 50 moving average, but price can hang out down here until that 50 moving average comes to the price, and then it gets rejected down for potentially more lows, right? If you're bullish, you want to see this aggressively going to the 50 moving average, aggressively challenging that 50 moving average, because that means the market maker wants to get back to that 50 moving average to get more retail traders in, lock them into longs, bring it back down again, but maybe not new low lows, right? Doesn't have to be new low lows when you do that. You can cause a beautiful cascade of liquidations without doing lower lows. Like, right, you can do price comes up, challenges the 50 moving average. Look at that. That's resistance 50, and then it would reject and then bounce off what was resistance, make support, boom, boom, boom. That kind of pattern is what you'd like to see, but it's not there yet. Not there yet. Just chill out. Anyone who's bullish right now. I don't know, man. I feel for the people. Hey, if you're DCAing, if you're strategist, I'm just buying to hold it. Yeah, like not Yoda. If you're not trading it, if you're just buying and you know that you're gonna hold it for a long time, go for it. Go for it. That's totally cool. But understand if you're like trading it and you're like, oh, I'm gonna hold on to it for maybe I don't know what your trading strat here is. I don't know what time frame you're on, but if you're thinking that, oh, I'm gonna buy this and then by January it's gonna be close, on its way marching to all-time highs, then dude, like, I don't know what to tell you, man. That's
okay. So I should change my strategy, you're saying?
I'm not financial advice. I'm not telling you to do
okay.
anything.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, good. I'm gonna keep holding then. I'm expecting those all-time highs.
All right. Dolph says, do I expect this market to float back up?
I mean,
float.
I think we will get a bull rally at some point. I just think that the bottom isn't quite in yet. I could see maybe the first couple months of 2023, pending, world events, financial events, but I could see maybe the first couple months of 2023 having maybe a little rally if we can touch down into a good bottom.
I don't know. You reminded me of this beautiful song, and it's about like how feeling like you're floating in the air, but your intestines are just like spewing out and down to the ground, If the market floats, it's going to look like that. It's going to be like that.
That's disturbing. What the?
It's a beautiful song. I love that song, dude.
You listen to some weird music. Yeah. Dolph needs to feel billion in 8 days. I get it. Oh, the truth comes out. I always knew SBF was in the room. I could feel his presence.
Yeah.
Okay, Fud Soul. Go Fud Soul.
He's like, yeah, and I just followed Mr. Take Profit's advice and bankrupted an entire fucking industry.
Take Profits is responsible.
That is so funny. Oh,
you're going to be the fall guy.
Oh,
they're going to pin it all on you.
I know. They're just going to be like, who's the smallest YouTuber we can just blame all this on? Yeah.
Exactly.
Who's the one that has the least amount of influence that we could totally blame this on? Yeah. Me.
Great. Show us the soul chart.
Hey. This wasn't here before. What do you mean? Bitcoin. On the daily.
Oh, well, just printed.
Check it out.
I think it just printed.
Got lower lows, but we could be getting.
It's a mess down there.
This is what I'm waiting for. See, this is what gets me excited. See, this is what gets the hope. See, we went from you guys are all stupid, that's going bullish to
you guys, maybe I should do an update to the kimono that just makes it more bullish overall and more hopium-ish. Just tweak the calculation of the kimono so then Mr. Take Profits is constantly like,
it
oh
doesn't
my God,
ever give you bad
so
news.
Good. Yeah,
it's constantly telling
it's
you it's
always
gonna
green
pump.
dots. Yeah.
It's just like, yeah. Could totally do that.
Idea.
Yeah. But yeah, I'm thinking this is good. This is good. Now, I gotta wait. I gotta be patient before I go in. I'm gonna wait 8 hours to see if this prints. So we got time. We got time because this is a daily. And this is a move that I would say, okay, if I got in, so this would be my strat right here. All right. So we get a buy signal on the kimono. It is a divergence on the daily. We've got lower lows, bing bong. I'm looking at a challenge to the 50 moving average and to that volume. That's a volume low for that range. Let me bring this down so I can see this better. For this volume range right here, that would be a low. So I would expect a challenge there, because this is, and we have the point of controls right there. So yeah, I mean, that could be interesting. This is interesting right here. So if we could get some more divergences looking to be printing. ETH looks so bad. See, ETH looks a little bit, worse here than Bitcoin. I wonder if it's because of the whole hacker fudding, dumping ETH and all that kind of type shit. I wonder if that's kind of just putting, just drowning it a little bit more.
Yeah, potentially. Hey, FUD, show us Sol. Give us the Sol chart.
Oh yes, let's FUD the fuck out of Sol. So, Sol. All right, so here's our volume range. Wow, that changed, didn't it? That changed, right? I updated it today. Hadn't updated, I think, since the weekend. And now we have a new volume low here. So this is really interesting because this volume range was taken from the high of the range that was here that we've been in since May. So since May to here, this is our volume range. Oh my gosh, that looks so gross, dude.
Yeah, it's pretty.
So
brutal.
Bitcoin, okay, just into perspective, right? We were just looking at Bitcoin and Bitcoin relative to the chart, right, from these lows. It's hovering below support. So Bitcoin's like in this area here, right? It's below it's below support. It's treating it as resistance. Not so hot, but obviously much better than this shit. Ethereum, on the other hand, is more up here. It hasn't gotten down back, down to the lows of June, right? So it's Sol just looks shitty. It should just, this I don't know, and I really don't know what Sol, right, what they're doing, right? I know they're like, what happened to their fucking phone? Are they still doing that after all this?
Yeah.
Do they have what is going on with it, man? I'm just no, it's looking bad, man. Again, I'd like to see a divergence to even think about going long, but we all know, I think Sol is probably looking better at like $3. Where Ape is.
Yes, at least, yeah, definitely.
Maybe five. I do know, so let's do Sol on.
That's true. They never had a phone. That's true. They had just an announcement.
So the phone never came out. That was just.
Yeah, I don't know when it was supposed to come out. I mean, it was only announced in June that they were even working on one, so it really hasn't been that long.
Yeah, so if we just peel it back, we take Sol and say, okay, if we want to really do a volume range for the entirety history of Sol on Binance, all right? Yeah, we're coming down here to the point of control at $3. Okay,
Yeah.
I mean, look, it's not that difficult. We came up here, challenged, got rejected, did this whole range here. This is a very important level, right? Came up, we broke the volume range high, big ass fucking bubble pops. And then we come tumbling down back below this range. Of course, we treat this strong level as support again. Come up and challenge the volume range high. And now we're tanking. Break this level of support. And now there's no other level except for fucking 3. So get over it. No, actually, this level right here, where we're at, this is actually a decent level of support. Oh, that's why that line was there. I deleted this line. I was like, why is this here? It's here for this right here. This is our new level of support that we're at. I'm assuming we break it. It doesn't look nearly as strong as what this was. Let's go. Let's get that down. Let's get that sucker down to $3.
Fought it to 3.
And then I might actually consider buying it. That's I might just put some limit orders at $3 and see what happens. Because if people are still trying to make make generational wealth trading Luna Classic, then I could be a degen too and trade Sol. So all right, what was this question?
Nothing.
Oh, I thought I saw something about what's the 1000x play for the week.
It's an NFT. Don't worry, and we'll show you. It's called Valhalla.
Oh.
It's minting today. But we'll show you that in the next segment.
All right. What else we gotta check out?
Just poop. I don't think we.
I was reading comments. Sorry, reading comments. Did you just shart your pants? Are you okay? Matt, you just got quiet all of a sudden.
Too quiet.
You know my body too well. Okay.
He had that look. I know that look.
Like, oh no, Matt's gonna blow. All right. I don't know why. What's up with
2 p.m.
What's up with
Eastern? 2 p.m. Eastern.
We are no. I mean, Doge isn't looking too bad right now. It's up 5%, and we didn't get lower lows. We're getting higher lows. So maybe we can get back up there. Maybe, but not quite yet. Kimono Wave hasn't quite printed that buy signal yet, but that's pretty good. You like to see the momentum trying to pick up. You could definitely get psyched out here, so you got to be careful.
All that is true.
Man.
All that's true.
So that's the biggest winner, I think, is Doge so far. No, Link, dude. What the fuck's up with Link? God damn.
Dolph said when his cat makes that same face that he sends him outside.
That's so funny. I guess that's just what it looks like when I'm reading. That's my reading.
You never knew you had a shitty reading face.
Yeah, man. Yeah. I got that resting
shit face.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, resting shit face. There you go. So anyways, we
only on GMTV.
This is actually what I like about this chart right now at Link. If this candle holds, if we hold and we close this candle like this, that'd be great because that would be an engulfing candle, very bullish. It's not even a vector candle, so that's in my mind better because you're not expecting market makers to come right back down and take their profits. But I mean, here I would expect it to challenge the 50 moving average. 50 moving average. And then, you have these zones up here. It's like now I'm making like a snowman or I'm making like an ant.
Yeah,
crawling
I know.
its-
There's link maxis. There are chain link maxis in this world.
So this is my aunt, and he's just going to be crawling his way up. Yeah. It's my aunt. So I'm it's kind of looking okay. It's looking okay. Okay. I just am, again, these pumps, it could totally just be going towards 50 moving averages, and we're getting rejected back down. So, hey, could be a good day, but just
could be a good day.
Just understand. Oh, fuck off, Litecoin.
Litecoin, the
I'm
token
done.
you can't kill. You can never kill Litecoin. It'll never go away. It's maybe
I'm done.
It's maybe the best token of all time.
I can't. This is the ultimate short signal right here. If Litecoin is pumping, everything's gonna go to shit real soon. So, it's been nice knowing everyone. Play the Titanic.
Outro.
Yeah, the
Play the
Titanic band playing us out while the
Titanic
ship
music,
sinks
yeah.
because this is our iceberg and we're about to smash and we're going down.
Shut up,
So
Dekenza. Don't break news. This show, the breaking news always hurts me when we do it on this show. And are you serious? Zuckerberg retiring? He might as well. He's got enough money to retire. He's only what? He's probably only 32 or something. No, I'm just kidding. He's probably late 30s. Let's see. Oh,
he's
man.
gonna retire. You mean he's just leaving Facebook? That asshat's gonna get his hands into something else. But is he? Check this.
know. I'm
Check this.
checking.
Producer. Or he is our fucking producer. So it's got to be right.
Rumors are circulating. Mark Zuckerberg is reportedly set to resign next year per a leak. Oh, interesting.
Dude, I bet the stock is pumping.
Pumping. Yeah, it's great. It's the best news all
bet
year
you
for Meta.
it's pumping because people have been wanting Zuck out for so long.
If the recent dump really was the final straw and people are just like, your stupid metaverse with no legs is a complete failure, and we need to get back to selling ads.
He's like, instead of backing at, like saying, you know what, we're going to stop funneling billions into this metaverse. Maybe, wow, yeah.
This is the news. It looks like, according to
Yeah,
at least
I think he's
handful of
like, you
different
know what?
sources.
Or maybe he just, yeah, man. Oh, God.
Was this Jim Cramer interviewing him in the metaverse? How did I miss this?
Is that Jim Cramer?
Oh my gosh.
Is this
I
CNBC
have to
now?
have this. I need this clip. Oh my gosh. Stock
It
is
is
down
Jim.
40% since Jim's interview.
Well, I think it's so fucking funny that you create a metaverse just to make it look like the fucking office you'd be in anyway.
I know.
Like,
Yeah,
that
it's
is
got-
the
I know.
stupidest thing you could do.
I know. Wouldn't you want it to be like more like a fantasy world or something?
Go have this meeting on Saturn, you dipshit. Or fucking, like, going back in time and have dinosaurs walking around you while you're talking about your stock. I don't know. Like do something fucking cool. Like, that's so stupid. It's fucking...
Oh boy, man! I'm trying to find that clip because I really want to see that. That's just hilarious that they actually did that. I find that quite
I just, dude, does it? Hey, it's like, I don't know anybody that's like on, like, that uses Facebook anymore. Really, does anyone actually use Facebook anymore?
You don't know a lot of boomers, then, do you? I think it's just.
Do you know boomers? Do you know boomers that are using it?
That's all. That's the only people I know that are using it.
Oh, really?
Is boomers. The
Yeah,
young
so
person
Decanter, that's
product
true.
is
I do
Instagram.
use the marketplace. I do. I just,
Yeah,
you
that's
know,
the only thing
I'm
I
making.
use, yeah.
I'm making. I'm going to tell you guys a little secret. I haven't released this, but it's a
like
dope
secrets.
desk made of Legos, and so yeah, I did the fucking. I bought like 50, 60 pounds of Legos to like
That's
build this
disturbing.
fucking desk. It's gonna be
that's
dope
fun.
though. This deck's gonna be cool. It's gonna be
love
flush. It's
Legos.
gonna be made of Legos. But anyways, I got that through Facebook Marketplace.
Yeah,
It's-
Facebook
it's-
Marketplace. It is the
it's
only
pretty-
good part of Facebook. That's true. And I mean, supposedly you could still, I guess you could run ads over there if you're a business. If you sell stuff to boomers, maybe that'd be a good place to run ads. You can also run ads on Instagram and stuff. I mean, Instagram, I think, is the Gen Z, the Zoomer portion, the Zoomer arm of Meta. And so I think that's how that works.
Yeah, I will share pictures of the desk. I have it. The desk is in the making. I just have all the
send
Legos.
pics. He'll send pics in the Discord.
I will. I'll
build it on
yeah.
stream. Can we start just building Legos on stream? Can we do Lego kits on stream and stuff? Once we're down in single digit ETH, we'll do that.
We'll just fucking build
Lego
Legos here
builder
on the
streams.
show, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, with it's gonna be interesting. Yeah, so there's gonna be with the Lego desk. It's you could do so many different shit with it. I could, the hard part is trying to figure out,
there's not enough constraints.
Just what to do. Yeah, there's not really a lot of constraints. So
options.
I'm gonna start basic and just do make it look like it was. I'm gonna make 2 of them, a 5-footer and 4-footer, and see how it all works out. And then you could smash it in anger. No,
That
so
is
it's
what
gonna
you
be
do.
casted. It's gonna be casted in epoxy. So you're not. So it's not gonna be like a bumpy Lego desk. It's not gonna. It's gonna be smooth. It's gonna look like it's encased in glass. And it's
Just don't smash the Lego creations before.
And you can't smash it. It's it's gonna weigh over. It's gonna be really fucking heavy and really thick and bulky. It's gonna be really durable. Yeah, it's gonna be last for generations. Is what this. Desk will.
Wow, jeez. Wow.
Yeah, everything. Yeah, dude. Well, if you think about it,
It'll
the
last as long as
epoxy,
my Bitcoin, then.
that's what it is. It's a forever material. This shit isn't gonna ever just it's gonna last forever. So, it's gonna be pretty cool. Anyways.
Okay. Wow. Well, yes, I'm glad that your desk will last as long as my Bitcoin. Could you put you should make one with Bitcoin in it. You should put Bitcoins in it.
Yeah, so I was actually thinking I should put Bitcoin.
You should put a ledger in there.
I was just gonna say, how
got
fucked
money
would
on
that be? Just be there's an entire Bitcoin on this one ledger, and it's in
the desk.
the fucking desk. No way you can get that shit out unless you, of course. That would be really fucked up. That's kind of smart. That's cool. Didn't think about that. I was gonna do the Bitcoin logo, just in Legos, maybe that, or Ethereum logo there.
Oh my god.
Built in Legos. That would be kind of cool.
You guys are off the chain. You guys are off the chain. Okay, let's play a quick little intermission. I don't have a new intermission yet because I have to craft a new intermission. But we are going to, and the old intermission, it had the SBF, the guy with the machete walking around, and that clip is so overplayed, I can't watch it again. I saw one live stream, I was watching it, Kenza had sent it to me, I think, and they just kept playing it over and over, that guy with the machete, and I was like, I'm over, I can't do that clip now, ever again. So I'm going to play this. It's going to be short and a little intermission here, just a little clip, and for fun, and then we'll be back, and we'll talk about NFTs. Embed a sandwich in the desk. Wait.
Yeah. See, that thing is you don't want to do food or living things.
What about a fake sandwich, like a little plastic?
I could do that. Yeah. It's just
burger.
you can do food. It's just over time.
McDonald's never degrades.
It does. It probably lasts longer than a lot of the other shit.
Than the desk.
But over time, you essentially it'll kind of eat into itself, and then you'll end up with just a mold, not necessarily, maybe some mold in there, but just nasty ass looking fucking food and sealed into, it just looks gross. I've seen people try it.
Call it a McGoblin burger desk.
There you go. Okay.
Okay. We'll be right back, guys.
FTX headquarters in Bahamas, catching up with some employees who were recently laid off. Hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
Rahul. Rahul Ligma.
And what just happened, Rahul?
I mean, it's really tough. This is my second job in a month, and Web2 chewed me up, spit me out, and I just really thought Web3 was going to be different. I've been my first job out of Twitter, and first month here, just moved my husband and wife out to the Bahamas, and everything just changed so quickly. And I really do respect SBF, and he really tried to maximize his altruism. We had like Hillary and Bill helping out, and but decentralization, it's about a public protocol, not one guy owning all of crypto. And so things are moving fast and open to new opportunities. Heard this Justin Tron guy is saving the day, might be a solid guy, so maybe there's something we can do there. But just keeping my hopes up and looking for the best for the future.
All right. Thank you so much, Mr. Ligma.
Ligma strikes again. I saw Justin's son is still not, according to Wall Street Journal, Justin's son is still interested in potentially trying to bail out FTX, apparently. I saw that rumor again this morning, but I just can't give him any more airtime because I feel like he's just playing us. I don't want to give people that kind of opium.
He's just trying to, he's doing the whole like, look, I'm altruistic too. I'm going to do good for the community.
Yes, I'm going to save everybody.
I'm
like CZ too.
Yeah.
Let's look at NFTs, guys. We're here on the OpenSea collection stats page, and you can see up here GM Bots sitting right at the top spot. Oh, wait, never mind. Bored Ape Yacht Club sitting at the top spot. Oh, TRX is bumping. Yeah.
No, it's not.
No, it's not. No, it's nothing can save TRX.
It's the only thing dumping right now.
I hate TRX. I'm sorry, guys.
Sorry
Cellmates, number 3 spot here. So this one we've covered a couple times. We talked about it yesterday too. This one is doing well as
love
expected.
This, dude. I was looking at this yesterday, and I love the. I just like how like each one of those is like a different kind of
different crime report. It's kind
really
of cool.
Really cool.
This one, Burger Larry. Not sure if it's spelled right. Could we get more than 2 cup holders in the squad cars asking for a friend? Funny stuff. I think this project is super clever. It's one of the projects I've liked. One of the projects that is minted recently that I've really just liked the most. I'd say that just because it's creative and it's a little different than a lot of the things we've seen so far. Has anyone seen my gun? That's funny. I'm excited to see these reveal. And I don't know when the revealing is, but I'm excited for that. And what did these? Do you remember what these minted for? I'm trying to remember what the mint price was on these. I don't know, but they're chilling at a 0.5 floor. I know I'm pretty positive they did not mint for 0.5. So, my gosh, look at the violent beginnings of this. It was all the way up. What was this? Oh gosh, almost at 1/8 there when it first hit the market. Stabilized a little bit, but yeah, they're hanging out at the top. Then we've also got the Bored Utes Club. Oh my god, they're apes with Utes traits. I know this is what you wanted. This is what you wanted, right? This is what you were waiting for.
It's what we were all asking for.
Is this the new Apepes? Guess not. I'll take that as no.
I can't do it.
Oh boy, yeah. Moonbirds, Red Pepe.
I feel like I'm just seeing derivatives of derivatives.
Yeah, now it's like we're in a weird territory where you got derivatives on derivatives for sure. Magic Eden announced this morning they've added Polygon NFTs. They've added Manic NFTs now to Magic Eden. So, slowly Magic Eden is just becoming OpenSea, and OpenSea is becoming Magic Eden, and they are just going to be one thing.
When are they just going to be one? Who's going to buy one?
Who will buy who?
Yeah. Wait a second.
Yes.
Guy, Dickenza's. Well, first off, Dickenza's beat. You should not. You're good. You're good. You're good.
I feel you, Dickenza. I feel the same way. I feel the exact same way. So.
And then here's Dolph.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you know what.
Mr.
I feel
Profits
attacked.
is kidding. Yeah, he's kidding. You're true. You guys are
GM,
triggering him.
GM bots is pretty damn original. Well,
It's-
AI.
They're all
original.
they're all one of ones, guys, and there's no artist. Yeah. I mean, figure that out. Square that.
Freeman, you're the artist. You're the one.
No,
that
I'm not.
Generated all of them.
Yeah, it's not art.
You typed into.
I was the prompt. I was the prompt artist. Is that what you're saying?
The prompt artist.
Yeah. Okay. I honed in the prompt. I made the seed for the children. That's what they call it. So I did make the seed. That's true. But yeah, I'm a little sad. We should have done a Utes ape derivative. I agree. I agree. Or we could just try bullying everybody. That seems to work for some projects too. Valhalla is minting today. Now, this is just wild to me. How many projects have you known that have minted that have everything private? The founders' Twitters are private. The company, the stacked company, is private. The project Twitter is private. So everything's private. And it's mint day.
Nothing sus about it. Nothing sus about it.
Private and it's mint day. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's great. Just great. I tried to join the Discord too. You can't join the Discord. Like, you're stuck in the rules page. I tried to, I clicked everything. I tried to verify. There's no way for me to get into the Discord even.
So this is what you're telling people watching this is our 1000x move.
This is the
what you're saying.
1000x NFT. Yep. This is the 1000 NFT.
I can't.
You guys,
stand
we
sometimes.
called Cellmates yesterday.
You are going to get us thrown
Cellmates
in
was
jail.
yesterday's 1000x NFT. Obviously, was a great call. And today's is Valhalla. I'm not being
That's not
coerced. I'm not being
1000x.
held at gunpoint.
Cellmates is
There's
not
not a guy
1000x.
sitting right over here from the Valhalla team holding me hostage right now. This is just my personal opinion, and it's not.
No
not
one's pointing
financial
a
advice.
gun at you or anything.
Yeah, exactly. This is a way to grow cult-like allow list. They're in the elite. How can they not mint for 0.5? Yeah, these are minting for 0.5 ETH, and nobody can see anything. There was a thread yesterday. This NFT Ethics did a dig, essentially kind of trying to link people from the Azuki project to this Valhalla project. It does seem like the guy that started Valhalla was very active in the Azuki community. We can at least say that based on wallet activity. I will spare you guys the complete thread. I will retweet this thread on GMTV, LOL Twitter. But essentially, they go through, they talk about how they had busted Zagabond having numerous Twitter accounts before, and how he's, it's funny, he's listed actually on the registrant for the Azuki.com name. So they were just kind of going through the history and how they had previously busted Zagabond for being a multi-rug puller, and then started then to connect the team for Valhalla to some of these same people that were in the Azuki team, if you start to look at their wallets and everything. So there could be, this is, of course, a conspiracy theory, but there could potentially be ties between the Azukis and the Valhalla team. I wouldn't be surprised. I know over on Solana, you've got the infamous Rugger, the Balloonsville Rugger, they call him. He's started like 4 projects and rugged all of them, and they were all successful. So there are infamous little rug founders, rug teams that go around and create project after project, just rugging left and right. But Zagabond did respond here. Of course, he said, everything here is false, once again. My actual brother is still just a teenager, and Hoshi isn't Asian. Thanks for the entertainment, and happy Thanksgiving.
Huh.
So he's
they're all wrong.
denying all the allegations in here.
Yeah.
You know,
Well, I
who
believe
knows?
him.
Yeah, I believe it. Well, believe him or believe the thread? Who do you believe? You got to choose on it. You got to choose a side. Pick a side. I know that's what's so funny too. It's whose privacy is free at almost every registrar. Yeah, I mean almost every registrar allows you to register your domain privately these days, and nope, they didn't do that.
Yeah.
They didn't do that. It's kind of like the Valhalla, how like they had the Webflow logo in there still. They didn't pay the $29 to get the logo taken off the website. You know, they're low. You know, these are Y Combinator, 2x Y Combinator. Grads, MIT grads, sloppy. I'm beginning to doubt the strength of our institutions here.
I'm
off
afraid
of these
I'm
projects.
not going to say anything about them because I don't want them to be all.
There's not
attacking
someone
my
with a
Twitter.
gun in your office, is there?
No, not yet. No.
Who's that behind you? This is the guy. Yeah, he was talking in text message. Here's the original message where he was talking about how he was worst case, do a quick rug pull, get some cash. You know, who knows how many of those quick rug pulls they've done. Just a quick rug pull. You know, nothing big, no big
Just
deal.
a quick one.
Here's a couple other things going on. We got Invisible Friends 3D are minting tomorrow. Are you guys ready? We got 3D Invisible Friends.
If I had a chance in hell of minting one, I probably would.
Well, you owned an Invisible Friend at one time. Does that qualify you?
At one time.
Oh, that's not how it works. Okay, cool. These are minting for 0.07. That's a steal. 5,000. 0.07. Invisible Friends only.
That's a steal.
You know, that's a steal in my book. If I was an invisible friend, I would probably mint one of these. You know, just because, I don't know. There's no reason really to mint this. I'm sure there's apps. There's no
What's
utility.
the floor on Invisible Friends? Maybe I get one. Is it too late, or can I get one still? And then
well, tomorrow is the mint, and I would imagine they just check your wallet for the NFT on the mint page.
Yeah,
3.1 is the floor. Overpriced for sure. Is this more than a Dickenza? I mean, a dick butt. That's kind of my litmus.
Yeah, dick butts are like a 2.
Yeah, overpriced. What do you get for having an invisible friend besides one of the OG walking PFPs?
Is cheap. So
yeah,
what?
That's true. What do you get for being in the Invisible Friends community? Like, what is the other utility besides having a walking PFP? Cool.
Community.
Okay, that's cool. Well, you know, that's let's see if anything else on the roadmap. Toys, garbage friends. Oh, there's gonna be garbage friends too.
Yeah.
They've already got the next collection ready to go, dude. And maybe they're gonna do toys of these 3D ones. Maybe you'll be able to redeem your 3D invisible friend for like one of those plastic toy things.
Yeah, interesting.
Maybe
yeah,
they do
that's going to be
collabs.
interesting. How are they going to make toys that are like just floating in air?
Wait, let's see. The Hugo Boss was, who was that? That was the other one, right? That kind of looks like this. Wasn't that the, what was that they did the partnership with? It was another walking NFT that came out around the same time as Invisible Friends. Walking was so hot for a minute there. Remember walking? God, that was such a good meta. I loved the walking meta. Okay, another community NFT here. We got the GM bots sitting at a beautiful floor price here of 69 ETH. Of course, you know, that's legit. But GM bots, this is another community NFT. We've got community, we've got tools, we've got burn to sponsor. So don't buy on OpenSea right now.
Don't
actually,
just burn
go.
your NFT. We have a form on our site that you use to burn your NFT.
And Dickenza lied actually earlier when he said that he had already burned 4 and 5. That's actually a lie. So, you know, I don't know what to believe anymore. All my friends, all my favorite influencers all lie to me. And Dickenza is no different. But yeah, just as a reminder to everybody.
He says click 4 and 5.
Oh,
he's saying he's not lying.
He's saying he's not lying. Oh God.
You are just.
I'm just uninformed. I'm an idiot.
Just,
I'm just an idiot. Okay. 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 I see transfer. Oh. To null address. Oh, maybe he did. Maybe he did burn it. Oh, really, Dekenza? Okay, well, I'm gonna have to verify this on the blockchain. But yeah, we'll verify it on the blockchain. Okay. I don't know if I trust what's going on here. I don't know if I trust the data that I'm seeing here. I need to go verify this on the blockchain, guys, because you can't trust even what OpenSea tells you to do.
Yeah.
And
yeah, this is a story.
Yeah,
this is a story-based NFT project. So we're gonna have.
I do think Dekenza maybe burned his after all. Wow. Yes, there's lots of storytelling going on, lots of world building going on. You guys don't know. Maybe there will be. This is just like D-God says. They say that they're going to tell stories and they're going to have lore. And they're going to hire some great writers to make good lore. So maybe we'll do the same thing. We're good writers. We could make some good lore.
Yeah.
Yeah, there is
writers.
Merch is coming Friday. The merch drop is Friday, Dickensus.
Yeah.
Dickensus.
The GM score is obviously
10 out of 10.
10.
Art, well, this is revolutionary. There's no artist, so I don't even know how the art exists. But that's obviously 10 out of 10 because it's a goddamn miracle.
I gotta say though, with this
miracle baby
AI art, we did spend a lot of time.
There's no passive income to Kansas.
Freeman spent a lot of time to make sure that everything
just honing it in,
looks
pruning.
Like, because with a lot of AI art, it's like you have different angles, you have different,
everything looks different, completely
weird
different
shit
in a lot of
going on everywhere.
Yeah,
this is very
consistency.
This is trying to make it actually look like you have.
There are some unique ones, though. I will say there is a handful of unique ones that do have something unique going on with them. I'm not gonna give any hints, or I'm not gonna give any previews even of what the unique ones look like. We're just going to have to wait till they get minted. But there are some unique ones in there that do look a little different. I'm not going to give much more than that.
Dekenza's asking when we drop Morning Dew.
No, Dekenza. You are the SEC plant, and you need to go away.
Morning Dew.
God, this is
we should have that song play us out. We should. Hey, we paid for those damn singers to make
we sang it. What are you talking
about?
What are you talking about? This is heresy. You can't say that. What do you mean, hired people? God, dude. Jesus. Don't give people a bad impression, okay? These weren't Fiverr.
What are you
saying? These were Fiverr singers? Is that what you're trying to say?
You're trying to pass that off?
You're trying to pass it off as Fiverr singers. My God.
No,
I can't work with this guy.
They're not Fiverr. They're from Hollywood. They're good.
Well, you can let the minter decide for you. That's what I like to do. I'm gonna keep minting these and wash trading them. So just so everybody knows, just alert. Let the SEC
so we have
know
the
now.
Music video. Do we have the music video up on our channel? Of that,
no,
that
we should.
Song.
Yeah, that would do real well. That'll confuse the algorithm. No, we don't. I actually don't have it on this computer either. It's on my old computer, the source file. So, but maybe we'll bring it back. I almost put it in that little clip that I did for the 200 episodes.
I think I might have
it. Oh God, no, nope, he doesn't have it. Oh, too bad. Oh, he checked.
Sure
doesn't have it.
Hello,
you sure you haven't?
I gotta just now it's all in my head. I gotta listen to the damn song.
What is the music video?
Kinda your fault.
Oh yeah, music video with us in it. Hello,
we
should do like a screamo version. Hello, Morning Dew.
Whoa,
get it all screamo.
All right, here we go. I got it.
Oh, you got it?
Found it. Oh,
Did you?
found
You got to add
the
it.
audio file.
Oh no, that's not. No, that won't do it.
Hold on.
Audio file is not good enough. We need video. I'm trying to just keep people alive. I can't believe anyone's still watching this at this point. This is just incredible.
Are we? Oh yeah, dude.
around.
It's been a long epi, huh?
And well, yeah, and we're just like digging for like an old file in our computers. We should just share the screen too of us just looking through our files. It'll be really riveting. Backup dancers, yeah.
Well, damn,
behind Mr. Take Profits there.
I could, yeah. We can.
Hey, you guys haven't heard Take Profits has a luscious voice. He's got a luscious singing voice. That's how I would describe it. Okay, well, we're just gonna end the show.
Yeah,
not Yoda's glued to my keyboard. Oh boy. Well, yeah. Okay, guys. Thanks for joining us once again. We will be back tomorrow, same time, same place, and we'll have more announcements. Yeah, just every day it's like a new announcement related to the show. Today's the burn to sponsor. Link is up on the on the website, so get your sponsorship in. And yeah, we're gonna start putting the sponsorship logos like overlaid here in the show, and yeah, it's gonna be a fun time. So thanks guys for joining us. Ooh, dang! Oh, dang! You're making me hungry, not Yoda.
It's like maybe I'm gonna get some.
You're making grumbly. Oh man.
Just making some fucking pho.
Just making some pho back here. Oh yeah, cool. Well, I'm jealous. That's awesome. I love.
It's too damn early. Where are you, dude? Because it is too damn early for. It's like only 9 in the morning.
Maybe he's in Vietnam. They pho all times of the day in Vietnam.
I didn't know, Freeman. Thanks.
What do you put in your pho? Oh man, I put all the
things.
Oh,
here we go. See, we're a food podcast now.
I put everything.
I'm fine. Freeman, when are you going to release your documentary?
God, here we go. Here we go. Okay, well, that does it for the rest of the show.
This is a good one. Freeman, yeah, you should turn into an NFT, bro. Like a film NFT somehow.
Okay.
Freeman has a documentary.
And, that's what the mute button's for. It's just so easy to just control reality. Don't you guys wish that IRL had a mute button? Like someone's talking to you and you're just like, yeah, mute. I can't wait for the Apple AR headset. Just mute everybody around me. It's great. Okay, guys.
The foot is
have a great day, everybody. Love you guys. Ooh, that sounds like a good broth there. He's making a good broth over there. So have a great day, guys, and enjoy your pho, not Yoda. And we'll be back tomorrow, 10 a.m. Eastern, same time, same place, for the GM show.
GM.
Do you want to say something now? You want to say something now?
Oh, I was muted that whole time?
Yeah, you were muted that whole time.
Go check out the pho.
This is why we need mute buttons. We can't have a world without mute buttons because of this exact thing. See you guys.